almost
me some
ready. I'm
pancakes,
really
please?
hungry. Give me your hand. Make me some food.
Daddy, can you make?
Do you like green eggs and ham?
I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
He does not like them, Sam I am. He doesn't like green eggs and ham.
Do you like green rice? Would you eat it with some spice? No, this isn't green eggs and ham. Today we are making Mexican green rice. Welcome back to another episode of Daddy Can You Make? I would like to share with you an adapted version of my grandma's recipe. Start by adding into a blender 1 cup hot water or chicken stock and 1 cup oat milk. Next, we will deseed 1 whole green pepper. You can use a green bell pepper, a poblano pepper, or also an Anaheim pepper. The type of pepper will affect the flavor and spice of the rice, but any of them all work great. Add the green pepper to the blender. Next, peel 2 garlic cloves. Add the garlic into the blender along with a handful of cilantro, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. If you use chicken stock in the beginning step instead of water, then you don't need the bouillon. And add a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now blend the ingredients together for at least 30 seconds to create a nice, smooth, green mixture. Now we'll take a medium-sized onion and dice it up. Set up a pot or deep frying pan on a stove and add in about 1.5 tablespoons of Dairy Free butter. Turn it on to a medium heat. Once the butter heats up and melts, we'll add in our onions. Saute in the butter for about 1 minute, then add in the 1 cup of rice. We're going to toast the rice in the butter until it is golden, around 5 minutes or so. When the rice is toasted and turning a more golden color, we will pour in our green liquid. Heat it up until the mixture begins to simmer, and then place the lid on top. Turn the heat down to a medium-low heat and simmer with lid on for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes is over, turn off the heat and let stand for about 10 minutes. And there we have it, a flavorful side dish for any number of occasions. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes from my kitchen to yours. Thanks for watching. Until next time.